There's my little DGS in front of the heater. There's my little. I gotta get this, get the floors swept and mopped. It's so dirty in here. It's so dirty in here. Little says, I don't really care that much. She said, I don't really care that much. Is it winter on the other side? Or you smell something there? You smell something down there? What do you smell? Are you eating something? You're weird. Well, that right there is from the cat bowls and stuff. And I keep sweeping it, meaning to mop, but then I never make it. There, so today's gotta be the day.